In this video, you'll learn how to delete all files from Google Drive at once. We'll go through the entire process step by step so you understand not only what to click, but also what's happening behind the scenes and what to watch out for, especially so you don't accidentally lose something important. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website and signing in if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're in the account where the files you want to delete are stored. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct one. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your main Google Drive interface. Now you want to go to My Drive. This is usually selected by default on the left-hand side, but if you've clicked into shared drives or other sections before, just click My Drive to return to your main storage area. This is where your personal folders and files live, including documents, images, videos, and anything else you've uploaded or created. Next, you're going to select all of the files in My Drive at once. The quickest way to do this on a computer is with a keyboard shortcut. Click anywhere inside the file list area so that Google Drive knows you're focused there. Then press Ctrl and A together if you're on Windows, or Command and A together if you're on a Mac. This selects every file and folder currently visible in My Drive. You should see everything highlighted, indicating they're all selected. With all of your files and folders selected, move your mouse over any one of the highlighted items and right-click. This opens a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Remove. When you click Remove, you're not permanently deleting the files yet, you're moving them from My Drive into the trash. Think of this as a staging area where the files are out of sight and no longer counting as active content in your main drive, but they can still be recovered for a while. Now that everything is in the trash, the next step is to permanently delete those files. On the left-hand side of Google Drive, find and click on Trash. This opens the trash folder where you'll see the items you just removed. Take a moment here to scan through the list and make sure there's nothing you want to keep. If you notice anything you deleted by mistake, you can restore it from this view before moving on. When you're absolutely sure you want to delete everything, look for the option to empty the trash. Depending on your interface, you'll usually see a button at the top labeled Empty Trash. Click that and Google Drive will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete all items in the trash. Confirm your choice, understanding that this action cannot be undone. After you confirm, Google Drive will start permanently deleting all those files, freeing up space in your account. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Drive, selected everything in My Drive, removed it, and then emptied the trash to permanently delete all your files at once.